Alright, so we just put vinegar inside of the gas tank to get rid of the rust. And while that's going on, I'm gonna mess with the petcock because it's just letting fuel go through no matter what setting it's on. So yeah, so I'm just gonna mess with that. The tank cooler took a while to come in, but now that that's in, we got the vinegar in the tank. So before you put the sealer in, you gotta make sure there's no water in there at all. There's like zero water. I heard from one person is that you have to get the tank hot enough where you can't hold it, so the water, so you know all the water's dried out. Now you gotta mix it with something like a paint stirrer or anything. Don't shake it; that'll make bubbles, which you don't want. Now we're making a paper funnel because if you use a regular funnel, it's gonna stick to it and ruin it. Now you gotta just turn it, rotate the tank really slowly. Make sure you get every angle, every little crevice in there. Take your time. You can do it for 5 to 10 minutes. I think we did it for like 10 minutes. Just go really slow. This looks faster than it is, but it's just in fast forward. So we just went every different angle, direction, whatever we could think of for 10 minutes. And I looked in there afterward, I didn't see any missing spots. You want to try to pour the stuff in there as soon as possible to get minimal flash rust. People say that it sticks to rust, or to flash rust, pretty well anyways, not like really thick crusty rust. But yeah, that's just what I've heard. We lost our cork, so we had to use like a part of a plastic bag to plug up the bottom so no sealer would come out. But it was too hot, so it kept freaking melting, so we had to freaking wait for it to cool down and not melt. So that gave the flash rust more time to rust. Yeah, you probably get the idea by now. Now when we were draining it out, we kind of just rocked the tank back and forth to get every little thing to run towards the drain. You're trying to avoid having puddles at the bottom, And then whenever you're done with all that, you just set it down on wherever to drip into the thing for about 30 minutes. And then you just throw away all the remaining stuff, or people will put it back in the can. So it's like really dirty inside of there, so it's a good thing I'm changing out the piston and the head, or cylinder head and piston, everything. So here's the seat pan after using the wire wheel a little bit. No, I'm just kidding. It's right here. So I did order this one. It's in way better shape. There's a lot more material left. I think all of the material is still there. It's just a little. It's way less rusty. So I think that's a good one to work with to restore. Here's a new key switch because the other one doesn't work. So what I'm going to do first is just start the bike up without it, just to make sure everything works on it. And then after I stick this on there, I have to change some stuff out so I can use the original key switch. But yeah, so yeah. have like 3 key switches. It came with these 2. This one wasn't on the bike. This one I just ordered. I didn't want to use this one because, like, check that. All these like twisty things. This one. Lived in there. 100.3 the Fox. Alright, got the key switch on. Gonna see if it works. Interesting. Well, it's not working in a different way, so that's kind of a fail. Got all the hardware off and all the little rubber things. Got it off of this one too, just for more pieces.